This video covers the arpeggio F-sharp minor, F-sharp minor triad. F-sharp minor, the key of F-sharp minor, if I'd say it right, has three sharps. It's the relative minor to A major. So when you're practicing the A major scale and the A major arpeggio, go ahead and do the F-sharp minor stuff also. The F-sharp minor scale and the F-sharp minor arpeggio. The notes for it, for F-sharp minor, keep in mind it's got three sharps. You have an F-sharp, an A, and a C-sharp. Those are the notes. And the fingering we're going to use, well, there's one white key, so we're going to use the thumb on that. And the other is the index finger and fourth finger. And that's the fingering we're going to use. On the left hand, same thing. We're going to use the thumb on that, and then these. Here, I put it. Well, we're starting on F sharp, so we're going to start on index finger in the left hand. And we're going to start on fourth finger in the right hand. So it's here. Here. Do the tremolo exercise, just up and down one octave, one note per beat. Drop the wrist on these as best you can, so it's here. So, then do the arpeggio, one note per beat, up and here. Now I know there is a fingering for this, just finger it that way. But that is a rather awkward fingering, and I don't recommend using it too much unless it's just one, not that type of fingering. Otherwise you want to keep your thumb on that white key. It depends on the music and what it needs, but I seldom use this fingering in music unless it just happens to be in this pattern going up and down one octave. Otherwise, I keep the thumb on the white key. For the intermediate level, we do everything in the beginner level, then we go 2 octaves. And for the tremolo exercise, you can go 2 notes per beat, but go ahead and do the full 2 octaves up and down. And so we're starting on, you can start wherever you want, I don't care where you start, I'm going to start here. So 2 octaves, 2 for the tremolo, and then for the actual arpeggio it's just 1 octave and then 2 octaves. So it starts here, 1 note per beat, then 2 notes per beat. If you can, remember to put in the accents, because that's really where the control comes. You'll be amazed at when you need to do these in music. You'll have the control to be able to play them accurately. So put in the accents, they're important. Now for the advanced level, we do the beginning and intermediate, but then we go 3 and 4 octaves, 3 and 4 notes per beat too. It's just the same pattern as everything else. And for that, you really need to start down here. I recommend here. And we just do the 1 octave, then 2 octaves, and the 3 and 4, and do the parallel and the contrary and the whole bit, the whole pattern on that. Then do the inversions. You just gotta love the inversions. Well, you're starting with thumb. Now, you can start with little finger. When thumb's involved, you can use little finger as a turnaround finger. And first inversion is actually a little easier because, and then second version, you're starting here. So do the inversions, the whole pattern on the inversions also. It's important.